Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P2195, refers to the air-fuel AF sensor signal being stuck lean in Honda CR-V models from 2017 to 2022. This particular error indicates that the sensor responsible for monitoring the air-fuel mixture is sending signals suggesting the mixture is lean more persistently than it should. The AF sensor is located upstream of the catalytic converter, specifically in the exhaust system, and it plays a critical role in maintaining the optimal air-fuel ratio for efficient engine performance. If the mixture is indeed lean, it can lead to poor engine efficiency, increased emissions, and potential damage over time. Therefore, it is crucial to diagnose the root cause of this issue accurately. Proper troubleshooting steps must be followed to identify any underlying faults or contributing factors. DTC P2195 points to a problem with the air-fuel AF sensor, sensor 1, indicating a stuck lean signal. The sensor monitors the engine's air-fuel mixture to ensure optimal combustion, helping the engine run efficiently. It is located before the catalytic converter in the exhaust system and is instrumental in adjusting the fuel delivery to the engine based on the air-fuel ratio. When it detects a lean condition, it signals the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which adjusts the fuel mix. A faulty AF sensor can lead to insufficient fuel delivery, causing reduced engine performance, increased emissions, and potentially damaging engine components. Correctly identifying and resolving this issue is crucial for vehicle maintenance and efficiency. The possible causes for DTC P2195 include a dirty mass airflow MAF sensor or intake air temperature IAT sensor. A dirty sensor can cause inaccurate readings, leading to improper fuel-air mixture detection. Another potential cause is a faulty A-fuel sensor itself, which may not function correctly, indicating a false lean condition. Additionally, poor electrical connections or loose terminals at the A-fuel sensor or PCM can cause intermittent signals. It is essential to evaluate these components with respect to their wiring and physical connections. Issues with any of these components can not only trigger this DTC, but also derail the entire fuel management strategy, making accurate diagnosis critical. Symptoms associated with DTC P2195 often include reduced engine performance due to improper fuel-air mixture ratios. When the AF sensor indicates a lean condition, fuel delivery may be insufficient, which can lead to engine stalling or misfiring in extreme cases. As the engine struggles to maintain proper operation, drivers may experience rough idling or hesitations during acceleration. Additionally, an increased level of emissions can be a significant outcome since an improper air-fuel mixture contributes to incomplete combustion. It's crucial to pay attention to these symptoms, as they can provide initial insights before proceeding with further diagnostics. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2195 involves a visual check of the mass airflow MAF sensor and intake air temperature IAT sensor 1. Start by carefully removing these sensors, as they play a crucial part in engine performance by measuring the amount of air entering the engine. After removal, inspect for any dirt or debris that could obstruct their functionality. If any dirt is present, it can impede the sensor's ability to accurately diagnose the air intake, leading to a false lean condition. If the sensors are found to be dirty, clean them thoroughly or replace them if necessary. These steps ensure that the beginning of your investigation focuses on one of the primary components that could falsely trigger the DTC. Following the inspection of the MAF IAT sensor, the next step is to check the installation of the AF sensor, sensor 1. This sensor must be properly seated and free from any obstruction, as it directly impacts the accuracy of the air-fuel measurements. Inspect whether the sensor is loose, or worse, disconnected from the three-way catalyst, TWC. Loose connections can easily lead to erroneous readings, contributing to the DTC being flagged. If the AF sensor appears to be improperly installed or unscrewed, it is paramount to reinstall it correctly to ensure a secure fit. A well-installed AF sensor is critical for maintaining an accurate air-fuel mixture and ensuring optimal engine performance. The third step in troubleshooting DTC P2195 involves verifying the problem by transitioning the vehicle to on mode. Utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC, which resets the engine management system. After clearing the DTC, start the engine and allow it to warm up, holding the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without any load until the radiator fan activates. This step helps assess if the DTC returns under these conditions. After performing this procedure, check for either pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS. If DTC P2195 reappears, it indicates the problem persists, warranting further investigation. Properly following this protocol ensures that you systematically rule out temporary issues and confirm ongoing faults. Once the troubleshooting steps have been completed, it is necessary to conduct final repair verification regarding DTC P2195. Start by inspecting the connections of the AF sensor to ensure there are no poor connections or loose terminals. A secure connection is necessary for reliable sensor performance, which in turn directly impacts engine efficiency. Examine the outcomes of previous troubleshooting steps and validate whether the issue has been resolved. Finally, confirm that the engine's performance is back to normal without any recurring symptoms or DTCs. This closure step is vital to ensure that the repairs made are effective and that the vehicle is operating efficiently. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding DTC P2195 and ensuring the longevity of your Honda CR-V's components. Regularly clean the MAF and AF sensors, as dirt and debris can significantly impact their performance and lead to erroneous lean signals. Inspections of electrical connections should also be part of routine maintenance. Any signs of corrosion or wear should be addressed immediately. Furthermore, routine diagnostics with tools such as the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, can offer preemptive insights by identifying potential issues before they develop into significant problems. Proactive approaches in sensor care and regular checkups can extend the life of the vehicle's fuel management system, promoting efficiency and preventing unexpected repairs. In conclusion, understanding the role of the AF sensor in Honda CR-V models from 2017 to 2022 is crucial for diagnosing DTC P2195 effectively. Following the detailed troubleshooting steps meticulously ensures that you address any underlying issues contributing to a stuck lean signal. Recognizing possible causes, evaluating symptoms, and confirming final repairs can drastically improve vehicle performance and emissions. Additionally, engaging in regular maintenance, such as cleaning sensors and checking electrical connections, fosters efficient engine operations. By implementing these strategies, vehicle owners can enhance the longevity of their engine components while ensuring optimal performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.